LED stands for light emitting diode, and they are an efficient light source and make great indicator lights for projects. However, polarity is a factor when using LEDs and must be taken into consideration when making connections. The diagram's LED symbol and LED polarity are provided to clarify how the LEDs appear on the project wiring diagram and how to identify polarity of the component leads. The LED has an anode and a cathode. The anode must be connected to a positive potential, and the cathode connected to a negative potential. And this is in order for current to flow and light up the LED. So if you're assembling a project and you see, based on the schematic, that you want to make a connection to the anode of an LED, you can find the anode because you know it is the lead to the rounded side of the LED. Also, nice new LEDs that have not had the leads trimmed yet will have a longer lead on the anode side. Then, if you want to make a connection to the cathode, you know it is the lead on the flat side of the LED, or the short lead on the cathode side if the leads have not been trimmed yet.